Good evening, everyone. I am Sangeeta B from the Department of CSE IoT working in SNS College of Technology. Today, we are going to see about editing, data augmentation, and data generation, enhancing the machine learning data. As all we know, machine learning is always about a data which we have. Through that, we will be taking the possibilities or the percentage of curing something else like that. But now we are going to see how we edit and how the data augmentation is done and how the data generator. Data augmentation is nothing but the splitting the data into smaller part and analyzing it, and then we are adding it so that we can be easily enhance the data, enhancing the data so that the machine learning algorithms will be working efficiently, and the result we get will be the more efficient and the possibility. So here we goes into the PPT. Transforming your AI model with powerful data enhance techniques and that unlocks better performance, robotics and real world capability in today's competitive landscape. As we are transferring our AI model with the powerful data enhancement technique so that we can unlock that the better performance, robustness and real world capability in today's competitive landscape. Next one is why data is matters. The challenges of limited and imbalanced data set. First one is data hungry. The modern AI requires more data and more accurate data so that it can give more accurate performance or the efficiency of the algorithm. So the first one is data hunger. Modern AI model requires vast drivers data set to achieve optimal performance and avoid B-set predictions. The second one is collection cost. Gathering and labeling the quality is expensive, time intensive, and sometimes impossible to obtain. Next one is scarcity impact, that is limited data leads to overfitting, poor generalization and model that fails in the real world scenarios. That is the limited data can leads to the poor generalization, poor generation of the output, so that it will be normally the machine learning and the AI is fully based upon the real world scenario. So if we don't get the enough data, then we can't able to create the real database. Next one is what is data augmentation. It's a powerful techniques that create new training samples by integrally modifying existing data while preserving its core semantic meaning. This approach introduces realistic variations that helps the model learn robustic future, acting as a natural regulator to prevent overfitting and improving the generalization across the diverse scenario. Think of it as teaching your model to recognize the pattern under different conditions, like showing it same object from multiple angles under light conditions. Data augmentation versus synthetic data generation. Data augmentation. The transformer exists data through modification like image rotation, text cinnamon replacement and audio noise injection. Simpler in implementation, faster processing, lower request of the risk of error threats. The next one is synthetic data generation. Creates entirely new data points from the scratch using the techniques like gen and simulation environment. GAN is nothing but a general addressive network where it identifies about the fake data and the original data, and it also consists of unlimited scalability. Privacy protection requires careful validation. Next one is core technique in data augmentation by data type. First one is image augmentation. What is image augmentation? For example, if I am taking an image of myself and uploading it in a database, then the database should check whether it is a real human image or an fake, or it is edited by an AI. Based on the database, based on the algorithm works on it and how much percentage it whether it identifies the fake image or real image, then it is said to be a good data augmentation. Here the first one is image augmentation. Geometric transformers, flip, crop, rotate, zoom for the spatial variety, color adjustment, brightness, contrast, saturation, modification, advanced technique, random settings, random erasing, cut mix and mix up for robotic learning. Test augmentation, lexical change, synonym replacement, random insertion and deletion. Next one is audio augmentation. It cuts with the signal modification, temporal change, environmental effect. The techniques in the data generation technique, first one is gene to identify the fake image, next one is neural style transfer, and next one is stimulated environment. Hope you understand this session. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.